What tropical fruit has a large seed inside? Mango. What color is a kumquat fruit? Orange. Core is obtained from which fruit? Coconut. Which fruit has a name that sounds like a color? Orange. Which fruit is small and often found in bunches? Grapes. Which fruit is known for being very juicy and red or green? Apple. Which fruit is tropically red and often used in pies? Cherry. A pineapple is a type of berry. A fruit is known for its crown. Pineapple. Strawberries are an excellent source of which vitamin? Vitamin C. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Which small citrus fruit is similar to an orange but smaller? Tangerine. Which fruit comes in varieties like Gala and Fuji? Apple. Which round yellow citrus fruit is often used in drinks? Orange. Which sweet tropical fruit has spiky skin but soft flesh inside? Pineapple. Which fruit is often mistaken for a vegetable and used in salads? Tomato. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Mango. Which berry is often used in smoothies and desserts? Blueberry. Which fruit is often used to make prunes? Plum. Which fruit is yellow and curved? Banana.